mina ngigrand sekukuthi bemhlushwa yile inkulumo zobathi bathi sigabele ngewancwadi yabona abakhuluma esitradeni anisashuthi sishilo nathi sizophelela guys thina abantu abasho kanjani asindawo yes nathi selisho kanjani yabona sometimes ienga isidela kusikwezi esikreza sisathi langa sabadudile esiyasho every nakayiqala echita hambilani nahlala manihlala nyabekezela ngemaphuthi
Mara, which one can we get? This over is strong. I should take it.
So then 22 months ago, 7, I remember July. My salary was 60.
Yes, food is fine.
Maramele we listen, we don't judge. Sanibonani Dumelang Abusheni. This is your one and only girl, Dimpo Dibe, and this is another amazing episode of Ringers Podcast. Ngila angihambi ngiyiwani ngihamba neTinap elimjojo ubani uthini mseshu unjani uthini mseshu
ngimjojo njengokushiyo wena
angigrand mara kuyakhulunywa la estradeni Doli bathi sigabele njengoba singashuthi sometimes we have to confuse the enemy yabo
mara obviously play mangithi sibathembisa ukuthi sizo-uploada every manje siyamalele kuma 3 weeks singayenza so
obvious it is a date yonke umuntu busy yonke umuntu busy
mara sisemsebenzini kwamele sibatshele ukuthi okay leya balandeli bethu supporters ukuthi okay sivalile bese bona next day phela sizo-uploada each and every week
okay siyaxolisa ngalokho
ngiyamakala we-active ziningi izinto ezenzakala mara sajabula ukuthi sesivukile futhi simlethele into esidume ngayo yazi sesikhona ebulletini yena bonke usicoko uzostile so uzostile we-active ukuthi le-team ayikho kanti angekho so ukuthi siyishute nale episode vele
asihluphekile
mara so ukuthi sesimakhamere futhi otherwise you right
mina ngigrand sekukuthi bemhlushwa yile inkulumo zobathi bathi sigabele ngewancwadi yabona abakhuluma esitradeni anisashuthi sishilo nathi sizophelela guys asindawo sila we are here to stay abantu basho kanjani asindawo yes nathi selisho kanjalo yabo
asindawo futhi sikhona yina asikhona fanda sikhona and the 20 years TikTok vela ngithi ngisenze wi-fi so TikTok social media my Instagram ngiyabona kunale yathi le ukuthi bana laba ishihlele le sizolani
usibusiso
khulume kahle kusana
usibusiso allegedly ubulale intombi yakhe brutally but it was claimed ukuthi psychopath something like that because bekahamba ama-psychiatrist ezingqondo yabona abafana
uyamblame angithi uyugelo menze ukuthi azothola sika kuleya situation
yazi mina nge-opinion yami ngithi angazi ukuthi ubani o-wrong between intombazana nomfana and right now akekho umuntu ozosinikeza ama-answers ngoba kuyithu yabekho so into esala nasala nokuphikisana and ukuphikisana ngeke usisendawo like yangizwa ukuthi
like uphikisana akumelanga siphikisana ngoba nanoma ifamily zethu bakushihlele angeke ngarayi ukuthandana nomntana.
Sometimes i-anger isidela kwezinto ezenza nje sesathatha langa sabantu ukuyenza yabona like into sabantu ukuyenza and then anger yawuphusha. So that is why ba-advise in most cases so guys if guys are into ukwatile because of at the end of the day utlo etsa dintho tsotlhe ka maybe the reason I politely the guy is because ngondo ikhutlilo yo kenze in and then athaba face the consequences I escape. So when you support the guy,
I support it wrong kwamele like ngimamele feeling ithi guy angithi uthi mina like uphumile uthumntana ngapha ngomela vela ngiyeka ke
hi shows le story lesa sisitholanga ngokufana
but
how mina lesebenzisa Facebook ukuthi lo mfana lo bebahlukene no girl apparently so mabahlukene ugirl move on and then uguy wazitholela umuntu ugirl wayenzana watexta umuntu womuntu ukuthi uhlukana nalomuntu seka wawa
usebenzisa i-remote like
ngibone le video ayithi ukuthi sibadalele ukuthi ngibone le video
izingitshela ngathi wena phela wena soyifaka la ngibubuli ise yakho ngicela ngibubuli angithi ucaleni la usithelele ngathi uthi ugirl usikila thola nemali ereve amshiya ngithola
imali yakhe
manje wena ke manje okay ngithola le ngisho umuntu wami nayiphela kuye
azali ngisilandele kakhulu lesi story because of besingibheka ngoba wonke umuntu uyaphikisana and akuna ukuthi ubani u-right ubani u-wrong wonke umuntu uza nento yakhe like sinamabantu abasidekele kumele siba like sikhulume into like nabo babone ukuthi like sikhulume into engcono ugayi kumele ayeke ugel makaceda ukumshithela or makaceda ukuvanga imali yakhe rent kumele and siyasho every time makaqala echita hamba yenza ninahlala manihlala niyabekezela nema-police station
mawuchita ngiyazi ukuthi that's okay kule case akathi kunomntana obvious uchitile obvious yazi umntana bamhlabela ugel mina bahlabela ugel ngiyeka angeke ngizoforgive like nginjalo ukuthi bamhlabela ngiyamyeka kuba angeke ngikubira lento leyo ukuthi bahlabela ugel ngiyamthola because noma ngamtholela mara ukuthi bahlabela ugel kuzoba isilonda shothi ngizofuna ukuthi ngiphe ngesilonda engeke
okay wena umjida ufika kathi ku-right ukuthi uhambe uyochita
asikho lapho makangashisi sengiyasho
asazi and bebasho futhi apparently allegedly futhi guys beka-abusive beka-toxic ama-ex wakhe bewakhomenta laphaya ku-TikTok siwabonile ukuthi and okokuqala uhambelwa iprofile yakhe ku-TikTok awuhambanga ngibonile ukuthi laphaya bekasasho ukuthi 1 month off ngihamba i-psychiatrist ngibona udoktor engcono ngoba bekanjani bekanama-anger issues futhi asibaleni ngoba abantu yo isande yami be-right nje futhi angithi ngiba singinedatha yangazi futhi ngizigomile unedatha ya so sizimhlalele endlini ngizigomile nje yabona ngasho ukuthi futhi bengiphumulile yo this week I've been busy nje yo
nayo reason ukuthi sithathe isikhathi ukushuka ngokuthi nayo bekangekho iciniso lafunakala
ya bengingekho
ngiyiwani kahle la ngihlanganisa nje abantu ongabantu abafuna ukusho into kwamanje ngithi ngisho futhi namanje ngisasho ukuthi ifuna istory uzonathi ufuna ukusebenza ungasabi text abafethu
yes ngiyathusa guys but text me
uzobanjani abonomimi emakhuleni seshidana le amele ngize la ku podcast
hey bayasindisa labo futhi laba basofarayo yiba basipha laba sibalandayo
sengithi okay ngizokubiza ku podcast ngizalala
so ngiyeza ukuthi ayiboye ema-groundini bekwenzakala ngiyeza ukuthi hey umsaba bawon-hostile lapha ezaze ema-groundini guys imideleni ngala eziyawa and abantu ababuyi nasemakhaya i-ground lababuyi
babuye emakhaya ngisipela ngofaya ngekumnandi like ngekumnandi like ngithi ngizukela ngathi ngibhekelele bechiwa ngithala umuntu mara lebuya ngifuna ukubhekelela ngingekho kuphela previous match ngingakhona kusekeleni Amen ku first leg ngiyakho so malaha ngokuyisekelele ngiyangeko
tshela ama-fans wakho mina angi-understand next ngebhola nje angibazi nokubazi labantu abadlala laphaya awazi
why nasema-ground
I think bengiye last year nakhona bengifaka i-pressure nje yokuthi umngane wami uyaya and obviously angihamba yi-one udinga i-company so abalaphaya and shem batela ukusithengela utshwala shem yabona ema-groundini kumnandi guys hambani mara mina angisayi hayi obviously ufuna i-cold drink ama-under 18 cold drink and if sona 18 ungaziphuzela i-drink lakho labantu abadala
sakhuluma ngasema-groundini ngiyafika lapha vele ngifika ecaleni match awu usushi naye angekho usebholweni uchisa ibhola of isipana usushi athi useshubheka ngala esayithi chisikana bakithi ama-celebrity ama-soccer abantu abaserious baziyikasi bazobhekele i-TV amarano mangakutsheli bona ngathi vele ulandelele bona
tshela ama-fans wakho mina bengekho
ufunda uvilakazi akazozela ngayo
ngiyathi senemi uvilakazi udlalela i-Pirates
udlalela iyalitshiza mathi yabo iyalitshiza
mara ayithistingishiwe ngathi
umthuthuzishabalala wangithi bala so
awushutanga
ngitshela lezo ngithi ngifuna ukushuta ngicela vele picturenyana vele ngizoshuta kanti ngina-iPhone
it doesn't matter yabona mina ngalesikokoko sami idengile ema-groundini bengizoshuta futhi bengizoshuta nange-Snapchat okujajayo angijaji we listen we don't judge
nge-Snapchat ngishuhleka ukuthi ngine-iPhone
angibone kuma-status wami ugcwele bona nje imfundo shabalala
balokhu bayaphosta ikhona la eTanzania njengoba
yazihoste in-Sawa Games ngiqale dada I'm part of the community mara bayenzela abantu bayenzela thina umphakathi phakathi
so i-tournament ngokuyisiza umphakathi
abantu bayakwazi ukuthi ba-expose amabhizinisi wabayazi ukuthi ngithengisa ini and in most cases into engiyithandile ngibonile ukuthi abantwana abancane yabagoqa most yabafana bayabaphutha bayeli-ground bayothela i-ice i-peanuts and then community ownership is very supportive bayareka continue doing that dada way forward
mara bathengisa bababhaya
yes bababhaya but bayathengelwa nathi sibabhaya laphaya if ungayi-groundini almost 200-300 people abantu bayathenga and time and again ma usegroundini ubhekile angeke ubheke unye umlomo i-ice idlula
mamela abantu abathengisayo babalili like nentwana like bebama-50 like bayathengisa abantu ababhaya blind
bayathengisa but
bakhona babuyela nezi
so wena if uye egroundini udecide ukuthi ngiphusha something ozothengisa ini ngiyakubuza umbuzo usamile angeke ngikugobe futhi
ngingathengisa into engekho ngathengisa amabheka kunamabheka
mara uba bengithi ngiyakhuluma ithi singanyazi
angithi kunalaba abhayisa amakota phela kunamakhota
enamathima ayathenga laphaya amawafika amathima wangaphandle afika ayathenga laphaya phakathi like maybe wena uye egroundini namhlanje kayiwani wabona mina last year bengiya kakhulu and ngibonile ukuthi like kune-impact and baya-inspire abantwana abancane. Omunye uye laphaya akayela ukuthi uyothengisa uhleli kanje ubhekile ukuthi uyabona loya mangingaqoka njengayo ngiyazi ukuthi sengistar.
Ngilithanda sibhekelela ku-TV ukuthi ziyafisa ukufana namafana namhlanje ngazi.
Obvious, kunabanye like baya ukuthi ngenze bathi uChauke. I didn't know what that before. Then you guys was a uChauke. So bathi umbonile uChauke. Uyayidlala ibhola nomfana loya. Uyayidlala ngifuna ukufana naye. Bakamthatha sinini bamise ku-PSL bamise like bane hope yokuthi maybe uChauke angahamba ayodlalela iPirates Sundowns. Yabona kunabanye bayagcizela ukuthi like umntwana wathi yo Neymar wakokazi. Phela kunabo Neymar la ikazi lapha. Ngoba uyazi ukudlala ibhola bambiza ngoNeymar.
Otherwise siyakugrade le tournament isikhipha ngoba phela kuyabhola nazo.
Futhi nje iyafuna namancwezi.
Ayafuna bazozakithi bathethe ebusuku manje.
Obvious, emini bayagodana at least into sihambe yobhekela ibhola emini iphumule. Ithi ngcono. Maybe angazitshintsha intwana ethi angisafuna ukujojisa sengifuna ukudlala ibhola.
So saphuma ku-2024 2025 yini into engathi bayabona ukuthi 2024 ngikulethela lento lenyana ethize iwanyana uthunyana
like in 2024 I planned a lot and benginama long term goals ungidlula ama short term goals and ama short term goals ebengiwaplana like ngithi ngizenza kaso most wow ngafenzile. I can't ngizokutshela. Ama short term goals amanye ngiwa-achievile amanye angiwa-achievanga, but I'm hoping ukuthi 2025 i-podcast yethu izogrowa because it's one of the most biggest things engizenzile ku-2024. So this year is not just any year, it's a year that we started our podcast.
So into ngathi ngele 2025 when I intend to podcast.
Yeah, into engicounter kakhulu ukuthi podcast was the best thing that ever happened to me because before in podcast bengigowa ungithole ngigowa wena la kahle. Yeah, like I was going through a lot. Now ngithola la bengahlali ibheki TV nje because I wanted, but because I was trying to clear my mind.
Mara musebenza manje no
angithola ngathi na February
mara musebenza no
bengisebenza but yo like umsebenzi bungangisebenzeli. Yabona ngifuna ukuyiqala manje. Yeah, bengisibana but bengabona ukuthi ngifanelane especially if it's commission. Njengoba bengishilo before ukuthi i-commission ayikho lula because awazi ukuthi this month ungahola imali eningi and u-accomplish izinto uplane futhi because sowutshele ithi example uthole 10k phela i-10k ngingangijudge ngithole i-10k mangithola i-10k yazi ukuthi ngizoyenza ngithenga iteki ngiphuma mamalini ngenze next month ngiyaplan ukuthi athola i-10k enye futhi ngizoyenza kanje nakanje uthi big level uhole 2k uyabona ngamuhle kanjani. Yeah, so at some point bengifila ngathi i-call center ayisebenzeli because why lezi zinto lezi ukuthi sinini ngihole kangaka sinini ngihole kangaka
ngihola 250 manje
yo it's yine trauma nasine trauma. So the 2022 mangicala ukusebenza I remember July my salary was 60 rands.
So when first salary yakho life yakho sisizela salary ni 60 rand ndingakusera Chekujajo, Mandion, was you are right.
No, let me explain this to you. Obvious, it was 2 weeks of training. 2 weeks of training. Because of imali bazokunikeza imali angeke ngisho imali embebanikeza no-15 ngizokubamba inkunzi mangibuyela ngoba ngingabuyela next year. Okay, so after this other 2 weeks, first week besenza i-role play abantu bama-call center bazo-understand besenza i-role play and all that, and then this other week bengisebenza and bengisazifundisa i-script ngisatatazela i-high school ikremela bengisaphethe incwadi yase-high school ngumntwana nje yo. So mara asikho lapho.
So uthi next year buyela athina amaphilisi wakhe next year by the way.
Next year guys, angibuyeli ku-call center mina nge-schooling. I'm going to school. Angeke ngispecify ukuthi ngiyakuphi ngoba hey abogogo beni basebenza overtime.
Masukile ngoba. Uyakhuluma ukuthi mina ngiyevezi.
Angeke ngiye mara obvious. Futhi angisho ukuthi ngithe basebenza overtime. Angisho ukuthi
hey siyazi ukuthi mina phezulu kwami.
Mara wathi ukushanela ibala overtime. Okay, mara asivale, yes. So next year and ngifuna ukuthi le podcast igrow sithole our own venue before June. So besintshela indawo eziningi zokuthi
if singabatshela izindaba ngiyabona if siyaspangs design nathi sisikole ukuthi bamele sizalathela
so obviously manje ngisaplana i-bucket list yami ukuthi ngifuna izinto zami zihambe kanjani because I feel like last year ngiplane this year bengiplana then this year bekumele ukuthi ngifeze ama-plans wami. So last year the time ngibhala i-bucket list yami kunezinto engizibhalile but azifezekanga kumele ngizifake ku-2024 sengiyasifwiza iniralokela wabo and wayirahala so wena ama-plans wakho waku-2025 or angeke ungitshele? Usawufuna isipani? Ngiyayazi ukuthi wena ufuna isipani.
Ngiyasifuna isipani. Ngafuna idatha sami.
Wena ufuna
ukuveza ama-CV. Ngizisabisa ama-CV so that's why I'm getting at ngiyazikonsula mangithi angifuna isipani. Ngiyasifuna isipani ngoba mina ngafuna isipani.
Qasheni
ngafuna umuntu athaka la sabi isipani. Ngiyosebenza.
Mara mele at least uzame u-apply.
Mara ngeke ngiyosebenza ngisebenza khona. Maybe njalo tifuka umuntu athi yasami sosebenza. And then nomele exist okay, ngibele ngishayisile short kahle. Ngeke ngivume ngokuthi uzongilanda wena sosebenza eboxa we-general worker and then mina nabanye izimanager before wena ke wena uthola sase-general so uyaqala manje so uyabona into ezinjalo so ngiyazana safuna ukufaka so next year kumele ngenze i-business
so uyenza i-business esikoleni?
Yeah, ngiyistadisha. Ngishaya into ngiyenze ngiphasa so
nami ngizovubuka sengudokotela next year ningangijaji.
Udokotela lezizwe ukutela udokotela.
Ngavela ayo. Siyabe nizoba yidokotela ka-TikTok. Cala ngeke.
Ngaba ngithi manje vele hayi ngiyabuza.
Ngizoba udokotela ka-TikTok omushasha ophume eboxini.
Yeah, so next year mina ngeke ngizobe
so when ama-plans for the podcast yini ngo-2025 ngoba mele siwazi ukuthi 2025 isenzani and abalaleli bethu mele bazi ukuthi okay i-Ringers podcast iyenza kanje nakanje sibone i-progress obvious angithi siqala kancane asiyise sijampa ama-steps siqala kancane le nto le ukuthi nathi sifike la sifuna ukuya khona ngoba mawujampa ama-steps uzomele ubuyele ukuba uyapenda futhi
it's business, so I'm playing a podcast. I don't trust like that. I'm used to money from YouTube, my channels. The business is a team. And one of my cash flow plans, of course, ukuthi thola inyanga egrade yamakhamera enough ukuthi nayo ithola imali balova ngithi abathola imali edatha
masibatest abatholakala
mangithi ngiyakufonela
amakanesitiye bazohola bangabaphi
bangumlanda ngecholesterol data simkhathana ngempelini siba nedatha banedatha so business izosi
mawonke umuntu ibhizi and ngishilo ngathi yi-busy date le kubhizi
so business izosi
maybe abantu bazoba khona January mase silamba kahle bazobe bafika bathi amabonus sewaphelile nalabe basichomela masibacela ukuthi bazosishutela bazoze bathi njayami sengikhona ngi-available January sila ngeke sinixoshe sila nani
mara ayayizothi sesiyabacela leyo
no kumele sishude kwi-31
ngiyiwani usukuya manje sishisa kangirozo upload anto manje ngithi nje wena yabona into lokuphuza mawuze umsebenzi ngakho hayi yabo
ngiyaphuzanga futhi hayi wangiphuzanga guys
singeke sishisa kangirozo lebo kumele si-upload
ithi singantsheli sonshaya ngamathala surprise futhi and station bengilokho ngicabanga ne so since it's Christmas on Wednesday and it's Christmas so when do you feel like Christmas the time sasemncane namanje mawusumdala isafana
ayifana
yo because like I feel like manje iChristmas ekuqaleni iChristmas besazi ukuthi yindeni sihlangana namakhazini sihlangana like ifamily iyahlangana kuba mnandi abantwana bakagogo bayohlangana kagogo silala phansi like kuba mnandi like mawusakhula manje yo iChristmas sehlukile shema usibani bamhlala kwakhe nabantwana bakhe usibani bamhlala kwakhe nabantwana bakhe abanye baphuma out abasapheki nokupheka and ekulaleni bebe tradition ukuthi it's more like a family gathering manje sesihlukile wonke umuntu uyele nale so wena ngeChristmas uzobuyenzana
yeah appreciate like yeah feel ukuthi uzobuyenzana mara azi uzobuyenzana
so you are not gonna spend time with your family
bemakhaya
wena basana you can sacrifice you can do anything so okay guys mele sijabuleni phela le kusho ukuthi we come first no just because you are not going to spend time with your family doesn't mean you don't have friends no guys iChristmas nizobe ninamafamily wenu kumnandi enjoy like but bazobahlele ndini abo ba enjoy iChristmas and then siyashuta yes we want to shoot but not at least ngeboxing day so besboxana la yabo I was nama holiday yo and ubonile into ebizifaka iqala kanjani ku TikTok bayabheka angithi iqala i1 zengo Wednesday Tuesday and then Thursday and WTF and yazi ukuthi mele sibene ahead and mele sizimele 2025 sibonile amaphutha bahambile abahleli but we are glad for those who are still here with us watching this episode guys we really appreciate you siyanthanda keep on pressing that subscribe mawumushala uqala ukusibona ukuthi uno20 bay no20 session iba nathi uthi sesiwumndeni ngoba sisazohlala la asiyindawo
sayidala ukuthi Christmas izomele shube so shooting
ngeke sidibete ngedate la and iChristmas ilanga lomndeni If ever I wanna say
Athi we Christmas.
okay, so besihleli kithi
So mina ngilanga izela ngivashe ngomqala.
like siphekile ibranyana inyama obvious beverages. Angithi ngiyazi ukuthi umndeni wakho useLimpopo nyakumema-ke uzoba umndeni wethu.
Namahlula ngithi yazi.
Amahluli yini? Amahluli yini?
Nanyuma. Nanyuma nasiyo.
Hayi ngiyonza awuna ngithungu.
Ngesikole.
Baya futhi bawutsiba so uhle.
Mara ngithi ngikuphela ngizokhuluma ngesuthu. Nangishana ngilapha. Yabona.
Bala manozi ngitongole notes bathathe kuyaSuthu kinsekera. Ungole notes ukuthi. Because namina nashibulabula sichanga naye Limpopo na wena utanibona kahle.
So I'm going to see 1,000 subscribers.
Sithi road trip nyana simshaye ngeblog ye road trip yabo. Sithi vlog yethu road trip sihambile siwabona eLimpopo. Mara ngikhinga yayiwana eLimpopo. So unazi. I need to know. When you say Dendron. Yes, Dendron. How some people check a Google or ship a Dendron? No. I'm being I am again everything. Obviously, because we'll be figuring out yes. But it's such a nice place. Food being actually we abandoned.
So imagine over here, that is like 1,000 subscribers.
Yes. And there was a woman on a radio station.
Radio station.
Ngicela nikhulume naye angimeme ku radio station.
Kuba radio station. Kuba we.
Uyayazi. He
He
knows the truth. Suspect.
Angithi mebangishaya.
Masalele kende we listen don't judge.
Okay, cala again.
Okay, we listen, we don't judge. Okay, masenzele. We listen, we don't judge. Okay, wayenza nda. Yenze ukuthi ungazi podcast.
King ahlala isim sonke.
Nama.
Bayambikisa wenzenjani please.
Okay, mina ngingathi ngibhizi for ukuza ku podcast kanti bengilele.
Mara wena. Mara nambo.
We listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge as judge.
Mara ngithi yengukuthi system iso10 the next is 11.
Mara obviously yo bekhathele bese ngathi ngibhizi.
Ukhathele. Ukhathele usebenzi ngenkulu.
Ngikhathaze ukuhlala.
Aku serius mara
Okay. No, I need to be level weekend here we listen to don't judge anyone who okay, we listen to don't judge. Uyabayazi abaseTsatsa. Babuphi?
Yabo.
Uhlale eTsatsa abaseTsatsa and abaseTsatsa sengiyabazi and nani niyabazi. Bhekeni kahle nimbonile. Okay, and we listen, don't judge.
Listen, don't judge. Oh, hey,
we listen, we don't judge.
Naturally, I'm sure I'm going to do this. I'm more. I'm going to be patient.
Hi guys. Okay, you will listen, you don't judge. Mahale yaki ay. Khona into of so when ungashada neshuka mama ithi
Ngisifihla phela ngokwazi ukucala amayona. Ayikho umuntu ngiyacabanga ngisho sokuba.
Manje sobenzela umhlaba wonke. I wish
Ayithi bali
from the depth of my heart I wish your mom sees this.
Ngiyajaji mawulila ngithi uyisile into enjalo.
Lejaja mina abazali bami angeke bangijaje wena uthi mkhulu babakhalelona. Now okay guys, siyabonga kakhulu for ukuthi nisijoinile kule amazing episode yethu yeRingas podcast. Ngishilo ukuthi ngisaselana nobani noTwini Msesho futhi guys ngibuyile kahle bathi ngibeka sisuthu satsindena ka if ever u feel nka on a story apa o batla o wisha o fihla podcasting ya rona o tlo ba le rona o bue story sona le sona for rona. We accept anyone. Don't be scared to text me Facebook Dimpho Dibay and my second account Doronso D. Let's get and text the kata what's it? Mara text the kata podcast. Let's be professional guys. Angithi nanya zikhulumela. And please like and share for your friends ukuthi babone ukuthi nalo ose Cape Town asifike ku Ringas podcast show ngoba le akusisho kuphela ishow yabo bani yamagangara aphuma ku PM Sotra phakathi inside.
Nibile Christmas egrand sanazwa. Episode izopuma episode 6 before ishi.
Mama abathi nibe Christmas emnandi. Bathi Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Athi nomzwenyiwa so like kuyafana.
Ngimemile wakuzenza kanjani? Yo angikhathele hle.
Siyabonga kwenye episode.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Uzobizela ukuthi ngikhathele ke. Yabona inkinga ukuthi co-host evulana namashow. Angazi ukuthi njani.
Uthi ngizoyivala le show. Guys, thank you very much for joining us on this episode. Please, if you are new from this episode, press that subscribe button. Okay. Obeta. Ntoye kubelu yenu engothi subscribe. Obeta ntoye no. Ofihle o like o share le bakhothi ba hao. Sesibikhathe. Please cut it. Please cut.